How do you know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can know or how you can check if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Now, unfortunately, there is no any direct option on where you'll be shown if you have been blocked by that particular user, unlike Facebook and Messenger, but there are a couple of indicators there. What you can do is if you open up WhatsApp and if you head into a particular chat, right? Now, if you send them text and there is only a single check mark, it means that the message has been sent. However, if there is two check mark, it means the message has been delivered, and if the check mark turns blue, it means it has been read, right? Now, if you send a particular user, the text and it only shows one check mark, then it means either they are not online, they haven't come online, or either they have blocked you. Now, if they haven't come online in a long time, if you have sent them a message, it might mean that they don't have WhatsApp anymore, or they don't use that account anymore, or they might have blocked you. It's not sure. However, along with this, if you head into their profile, if you tap on profile, and if you tap on their profile, if they previously had profile picture and now you tap on profile picture and it says there is no profile picture or the profile picture has been deleted, then it means that they have blocked you. So that is one of the indicators as well. Now these are two indicators, and now for the third thing is the active status. If you open up someone's chat, below the username or below the name, you'll be able to see the active status. If you don't see the active status, then it might mean they have blocked you, or it might mean they have turned off their active status as well. But if you see all these three indicators at once, that the profile photo was deleted or doesn't show up anymore, and the message has only one check mark and their active status is not showing, then it might mean they have blocked you. So this way you can know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.